Hey, I'm Mike Morrison. I'm actually about to show a property to a potential investor, and they have a real cool idea, and it's becoming more and more common. It's the concept of what they call house hacking. So there's a multitude of ways of house hacking. One of them involves, using Airbnb. One of the more common ways is for a person to utilize a owner-occupied mortgage in order to start generating some cash flow, which doesn't require a ton of money down up front, not a ton of upfront capital. So let's look at some of the options that you have for owner occupying a property and what that mortgage looks like. So you have like a conventional loan. As long as you're owner occupying, you have the opportunity to maybe possibly put 3 to 5% down on the property. You also have your FHA loan, in which you may put 3.5% down. And then you have your first-time homebuyer programs that may allow you to put 0% down. VA and USDA loans also may require you to put as little as 3% down. Now, once you get the property, the key is to make sure that you manage your mortgage amount. So let's say you bought a property for $150,000 and your mortgage amount is about $900 a month. And you move in 2 additional roommates, and those roommates are paying about $600 a piece, right? So that's a cash flow of $300 a month. Now you can choose to pocket that cash flow, or you can contribute that $300 a month, which is about $3,600 a year, towards your principal. The key thing to remember is call the bank, let them know that that $3,600 additional needs to be paid to principal only. So they're going to want to get you to pay interest, but you want that to apply 100% to principal. Now what that does for you is allows for you to pay that house off quickly, and also it increases your equity position at a much faster rate, which gives you an opportunity to do a whole host of other things with that property. I really like this concept of house hacking. I encourage you to think outside the box and think of additional ways that you can get involved in real estate investing.